Hi, a happy hoarder here. And in the middle of doing some table decor videos, I decided I needed to do a little compilation of my Monster High and Ever After High dolls and my L.O.L dolls that I have painted. I started doing this about 2017. I just painted these two girls, and recently I decided they needed a change of clothes. I put them back into Monster High clothes for Halloween. I added a Dollar Tree butterfly wings and antenna to her outfit. I've been on a dead fairy kick this Halloween. She's a live one. But one of my favorites has been my pirate, Draculaura. I so enjoy being parts of the dolls challenges where I have made my pirate, and I have made Cruella as a dolly and a little L.O.L doll as a Cruella. Her hair was already perfect, and I just loved her big eyes. I've made my lovely witch Evanora and her little sidekick Prue. I even have works in progress for future challenges, so keep an eye out on those. Thanks for watching. Bye.